What is bias in LLMs? Imagine you're teaching a robot to answer questions or tell stories by reading lots and lots of books and websites. If the robot reads stories where cats are always the heroes and dogs are always the villains, it might start to think that cats are always good and dogs are always bad. That's called bias. What is bias in LLMs? Bias in a language model happens when the robot, the LLM, learns unfair patterns or stereotypes from the examples it's trained on. It doesn't mean the robot is bad, but it might repeat things it has learned, even if they are unfair or wrong. Let's say you ask the robot, who is good at math? If the robot has mostly read stories that talk about boys being good at math and not girls, it might say, boys are good at math. But that's not true. Both boys and girls can be great at math. The robot is just repeating what it has read, not what is fair or accurate. Why does this happen? What the robot reads. If the training material has more examples about one thing, like cats being heroes, the robot learns that pattern. Not enough balance. If the robot doesn't read enough examples of everyone being good at math, it might get a wrong idea. How to fix bias? Teach the robot better. Use stories and examples that include everyone fairly. Check its answers. Make sure it doesn't say unfair or hurtful things and correct it when it does. Bias is like a mirror. If the robot sees a skewed picture of the world, it reflects that. Our job is to help it see the whole picture so it can give fair and helpful answers. Keep learning. Thank you for visiting www.codingscientist.com.